What's up, everybody? We are back, and we are currently working on the car. Well, it looks like Matt's working on the car. Started without me. Hey, buddy. What are we doing today?
So whoever had this car before me cut this bumper out really bad. They took out the whole center section, I'm assuming, for an intercooler. So we're going to use some of this flat stock and do some repairs to it. Try to make it maybe a little bit safer. So, you know, in case I'm in an accident, something doesn't just go straight through.
Yeah, currently it does not look safe.
Yeah, no. So we're going to do a little bit of reinforcement on that. A little bit of cutting, a little bit of welding, and we'll see how it turns out.
Sweet. And per usual, we are going to kind of talk to you guys throughout and kind of tell you what's going on. But for now, I guess I'm going to learn to weld. All right, ladies and gentlebubs, Matt figured this thing out. So we've got a jack holding up this piece of metal that is also attached by a clamp to this side of the bumper. And we're going to be running some beads here, aren't we?
Yeah. Basically, we're going to tack this into place a little bit. That way, we can get this clamp out of the way, finish them up, get these full lines on. Basically, on this piece, I just want to make sure it's nice and even with this. So that way, whenever we get it cut to size, be able to get it set in and weld that side up. And hopefully, it won't have to twist too much.
Cool. All right. All right, sweet. So we're going to come in here and talk about Matt's spot welds because they love talking about spot welds.
Nice. Well, spot welds are one of the greatest welds out there. Basically just helps hold your project into place. So, yeah, essentially we just wanted to start out with getting something that's going to hold it, get the clamp off, and now we can start to weld it the rest of the way up.
Sweet. Let's get it done.
So I want to make sure you get good look at what's going to happen here. Because what you're going to see is that when I'm doing this, so make sure something real quick. So you're going to see that I'm going to try to hold this up this far apart. Okay. And I'm just going to try to keep any of it. I'm going to try to work my way down. Now, the other thing you're going to see is there's going to be the orange puddle. I'm going to try to keep that orange puddle. I'm going to try to keep this always in the orange puddle. Because almost like you're pushing the puddle down. Okay? Am I ready? Okay.
feeling like biggest thing that you need to do is slow down. So, give you an idea of how you were looking. Is you look like you're doing this. Okay. So it's just kind of
Don't
like,
make fun of me, guys.
I know. No. So basically, what it is that you want to be right in that groove, and you basically just want to go.
Okay.
It's like going
I'm
across is
understanding
easier
a
because
little
you're.
bit more about what happens now, because before I end up with.
Yeah. It's easier to go across because what you're doing is you're basically drawing a bunch of cursive E's,
Yeah.
but you're basically.
So I'm
just,
good to go ahead and do that now?
Yeah. Yeah. We just tacked it so we can get that out of the way. Basically, we replace that clamp.
Okay. Should I start from here?
Start all the way top.
All the way
Yeah,
down?
but you're gonna run right over your weld. It's gonna melt. So yeah, like your weld's gonna melt away in a second. Yeah. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright. I'm going to get a little bit more because that made me feel more comfortable last
Okay,
time.
that's cool. There we go. Cool. Look at that guy. Did you see that guy?
That looks terrible.
No, it looks fine. It looks perfectly fine.
Dude, something got under my
This is how, probably this like, yes, but with this, first time. So, that's like, that's why you said, that's what we're here, which is, but if you have, and also, you're right, because you're right, because
Sounds like bacon. Stuff that bacon.
All right. Well, looks like I got my first ever weld done, which pretty excited about that. It's exciting for me. Don't know how excited Matt's gonna be since it's on his car and it was the first weld ever.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. We got good penetration, so they're gonna hold. And we have another piece that we're gonna put in here later. Just gonna add a little bit more strength to it. So I think it looks pretty good for now, and everything's starting to feel solid. Finally.
Cool. All right. Well, I'm sure he'll shout at me after the video's done. Guys, this was just meant to be like a little midnight snack, if you will. So just 2 quick welds, and then we're kind of cutting out of this one. So see you guys next time.